Alright, see what else we got. Got some paper we don't care about. Something in here. Oh, this is a stupid manifold. There was a butchered intake manifold for a panhead. 48, actually it fits knucklehead too. 1940, 4-bolt linkers 40, 1.5" diameter, 74 cubic inch. And that fits all the way up to 54 when they went to O-ring. So someone put a bolt on here for some reason. So I bought it because it still has a nice Harley number on it, and it's supposed to be wide for a panhead, for a 74-inch motor. So they said this was 3 3/8 inches wide, which is 74-inch. $3,400. Bitchin'. So that makes this a good part, because all the ones I got are cut down, they're real narrow, so they don't fit anything. So this one's a good one. All I do is cut this stupid bolt off, smooth it up, paint it, and it'll be good. You also got to make sure the lips right here are nice and smooth around here, because they got brass seals that seal against here. And if these get all grooved out in here, they leak like a sieve. They call them plumber style manifold for a reason. So this is a nice manifold, except for that abortion someone stuck on there. Now if we're lucky, that's braze, so I just heat it up and it'll come off, but I don't know if it's brass or not. Until you scrape it off or look at it, you don't know. So we got this nice sharp knife here. Let's see what we find here. See how it's gold color? That means it's braze, so that means you just heat this up with a torch and most of this brass will come off. So this will fall off pretty easy. The problem is there's a hole on the inside of this sucker where they actually threaded that into the manifold. Why would that moron do that? I don't know what their plan was for doing that, but that kind of screws up this manifold a little bit. So now I'm going to have to go in here and take this piece of crap out of here. Then I got to braze the hole up solid, clean it all up, make it look pretty on both sides. Then I'll have a good manifold. But it won't have the texture of a cast manifold like it should when you're done. But it'll be a good manifold. So I gotta do a little work on it, but we got a chance to have something decent. So there you go. Beats buying a repop crap.